So what is SEO then? SEO, short for search engine optimization, is the process of getting the desired results from organic search, or the main search results that are organized according to relevance. Now within this, Google's thought to use about 300 different variables. So think about it this way. When Google calculates what sites are going to rank where within the organic search results, it's done by a mathematical equation. It's done by a computer. There is no human intervention. And they use 300 different variables. They go through your site, they send a search engine spider through your site, which is just a piece of software. It does all the math, looks at all the variables, it sums the scores and says, oh, okay, this site has this many points, it should be ranked first. This site second, it should be ranked second. People intuitively think that the omnipotent, all-knowing Google bestowed a whole lot of credibility on you because they're saying that you are the #1 company for that keyword. So if you rank #1, that's Google saying that you rank #1. So it's an impartial reference by a third party. Keywords are the absolute foundation of any good search marketing effort, whether it be SEO or paid search. We've got to choose the keywords properly. So we select keywords, and we recommend that you select keywords based on 3 variables. 1, the search volumes. And this is one of the great things about the internet. We can see how many times a particular search query has been searched for the previous month. So we can see that Engineers Toronto has been searched for 1,500 times the previous month, and that tells us, hey, that's a pretty good keyword. Or that it hasn't been searched for at all, in which case that's not a keyword that we really want to go after. So, and in there what I would suggest is plug in what you do and where you do it. So, I'm an engineer in Toronto. Just that simple. And it will give you a lot more keyword ideas. And what's really interesting about the way people search is we can tell a lot about where they are in the buying process just based on the words that they've used. So if somebody types in architect, they're not early in the buying process. They know they need an architect, but they don't know, they haven't defined where they need an architect. Whereas somebody saying architect Toronto, that's a lot more specific. They're later in the buying process. They're looking for an architect in Toronto, and then architect consultants Toronto, for example, they're even further along the buying process.